Uh, it should be for example, for a fast application or for Delta robots. Anyway, mainly industrial application where you don't need the collaboration with a human operator. So purely industrial application.
Okay. Do you see it being applied anywhere in the healthcare or the cleaning industry?
It should be, but I think in the healthcare you will need something that is um, compliant with the standard for biomedical, and not anybody is compliant with this. I think now we have only one robot on the market that is compliant with biomedical purpose. That is the KUKA, the white one. It's a collaborative robot used only for biomedical.
Oh.
So when you enter the healthcare, you should be very careful from the certification point of view. So not all these products can be there.
Okay. Any other uses? Say, how about surgical robots? Do you think sensors? Do you think grippers with tactile sensing will be helpful in surgeries? Would they be able to assist human surgeons or actually take over human surgeons? Like, there's no need for a human surgeon as such for a surgery.
I don't think the state of the art in this area is so developed. So,
But in case we reach that level, so in 5 years, you say that we might reach that level, right? So in that stage, would we be able to use it for surgeries and replace human doctors?
yes, why not? Anyway, there is already a machine, as Da Vinci machine, I guess. So why not?
Yeah, but that is controlled by a human surgeon, right? So would you be able to reach a stage where the robots don't need to be controlled by a human?
But yes, I understand what your point. I don't think that any medical institutes or any government itself will allow a robot to do a surgical or an medical operation without a human control.
Okay, that's true.
I don't think from a cultural point of view we are ready for this.
Do you think
It's just my idea,
yeah. So what kind of challenges do you think we might face there? Apart from the obvious safety concern, are there any other issues over there in letting a robot, fully take over a surgery?
You should investigate anyway artificial intelligence. Then, so I think that the public opinion has a lot of feedbacks and a lot of information from this point of view, but is not corresponding to the real state of the art of the artificial intelligence developed inside the research laboratories. We are not so advanced in artificial intelligence from my point of view, because if the artificial intelligence is the personal assistant in the mobile phone, okay, from my point of view, this is not the artificial intelligence people think about. Because for artificial intelligence, we should arrive to have an autonomous robot that can take decision from itself. And I don't think that people or culture is ready for something like this. And maybe it is a kind of product or a solution that should be handled with carefully.
Okay.
So many big companies are investigating it, as we know, but I don't see in the real near future a development for common people from artificial intelligence of this kind.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. moving on, we have a video we'd like to show you of
Okay.
a prototype gripper developed by RPI. So this is a basic level where the gripper is able to pick up linen from the stand and transport it elsewhere. I'll play the video. Yeah.
This is like pinch. Yes, that's right.
Yeah. So that's the video. Do you have any thoughts on this project?
Yeah. Okay, this is something that it will be, if you will find a company able to solve this kind of problem, maybe it will be the next billionaire, the first billionaire in the world, I think. Because consider, maybe Amazon Robotics Challenge.
Mm-hmm.
We participated also a couple of years ago. What is the need now is to automatize the warehouse. So if you think where the money is going and where the business is going, it is going to Amazon, it is going to the delivery system, it is going to food delivery, it is going to this kind of service to the end user. And if you imagine what Amazon is a big warehouse. It's just a big warehouse.
Mm-hmm.
What is the problem they are facing now? They still need humans to box, unbox, to move vehicles, to take the parts and to put it, to box the parts and to move it. So this is the real challenge. And to have something like this robot, I saw a couple on the market, but they didn't convince me, to be honest, because in this case you will really need a good software, a good firmware, and a good programming to teach them. So we will link this idea to the artificial intelligence to teach them how and what product to handle, how to manage it, how to box it, and so on. The most problem for Amazon, I know, it was, I have 20 books, different books. How can I teach the robot to pick up a book and to put in the box in the right verse side, and then to close the box, and then to ship the box? So if you think about it, you still need a person to put the book inside the box in the right position, and then close the box. This is something that is really interesting from a research point of view, but that will have an immediate return in investment from private companies.
Okay.
So this is a real challenge that you should investigate.
Okay.
And it's linked to the feeders of production lines that I told you at the beginning of our talk. So you almost automatize everything. You need the initial part and the final part. So let's find a solution there, and you have solved all the problems in the production process and in the service market as well.
Regarding the product that's being displayed, are there any problems with it that you can notice?